Okay, let's make the correction. From the beginning, there was a buzzing expectation that XRP would hit the historic $10,000 level. Recently, that prognosis got a big boost, and guess what? At this point, we're discussing Larry Fink from BlackRock supporting this. Let's say he is talking about more than just the pathetic $10,000 per XRP. He's calling it a fundamental necessity. Oh no! Before we dive into today's article's primary topic, let's quickly catch up. Do me a favor and join our amazing community by clicking the like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. The juicy part is here. Imagine if giants in the financial industry like Vanguard and BlackRock are now seriously considering using XRP in their international transactions. And hold on, things will get better. There are rumors that BlackRock will launch an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that concentrates on XRP. You heard right. But there's more. Larry Fink didn't stop there. He is looking at a $30 trillion real estate market, but what lies at its core? You got it. The XRP ledger now has the potential to tokenize the entire thing. Furthermore, RippleNet and the XRP ledger are expected to process an astounding $1.20 quadrillion from the International Swaps and Traders Association, ISDA. That is immature. We're not just discussing $10,000 per XRP here. XRP's value could rise to as high as $60,000. Isn't it amazing? Now let's move on to the next section. Larry Fink of BlackRock made another startling discovery. He's not just talking, he's acting. Ripple and its digital asset XRP, the tokenization of everything, are about to undergo a major change. We also have a footage that will definitely grab notice in the next part of our video. Larry Fink directly confirmed BlackRock's move to create XRP ETF. We shouldn't wait much longer as a result. This clip is what you've been waiting for. In recent days, there have been a lot of anomalies in the cryptocurrency market, particularly with regard to XRP. Consider this. On the popular exchange Crypto.com, XRP's value soared to an astounding $43,000. This is not a singular occurrence. Instead, it is a component of a broader trend of XRP's value abruptly increasing. Remember how we talked about a $7,000 XRP glitch at a big exchange last week? Now it's Crypto.com's turn, and it seems like these sudden spikes in XRP's value are occurring often on a number of exchanges. But let's shift our attention and discuss something similarly fascinating that I found through a great deal of research, and that is unrelated to BlackRock or the overall rise in the XRP market. We'll talk about Gary Gensler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jake Clinton. As you may already know, XRP is consistently categorized as a security by Gensler. The intriguing portion starts at this point. Gary Gensler's identical twin brother, Robert M. Gensler, is the same age as Gary and looks remarkably alike. Robert is an important member of the T. Rowe Price team as vice president. A closer investigation reveals that T. Rowe Price is not your typical investing firm. Rather, it is one of the major players with sizable holdings in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. This relationship is therefore fascinating. Despite Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, still classifying XRP as a security, his twin brother is extensively involved in an investment firm that is a large investor in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. It's an interesting difference that raises a number of issues about the intricate procedures involved in Bitcoin laws and investments. This brings us to a fascinating possibility. Perhaps, like Ethereum and Bitcoin, Robert Gensler, the vice president of T. Rowe Price, has special insight into the possibilities of XRP? This idea is supported by the company's sizable holdings in these three cryptocurrencies. Despite the SEC's outspoken opposition to insider trading, a number of research and publications have suggested otherwise. These investigations, which have centered on market manipulation and insider trading, have often highlighted questionable SEC practices. It appears like a trend is emerging. SEC officials seem to be educating their relatives about digital assets that might soon no longer qualify as securities. When the asset is officially declared non-security, the value of the initial investments made by these family members surges, allowing the friends and family to profit handsomely from modest purchases and high sells. Given this, let's investigate the likelihood that Robert N. Gensler obtained inside information from his brother, Gary Gensler, regarding the SEC's potential loss in a case against XRP. Given the likelihood that Congress will push for a settlement between Ripple Labs and the SEC, prudent investors might want to purchase XRP at this time. But a deeper depth is added to this scenario by seeing the real price migrate money more and more toward Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most significantly, XRP. Analysts like Jack the Ripper, who have been bullish about XRP, predict a massive rise in value that could send it beyond $589, despite the cryptocurrency community's excitement over XRP potentially reaching amazing highs of $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000. This prediction, however bold, demonstrates the heightened curiosity and speculation about XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency market. Wall Street may want a piece of the lucrative XRP market, in my opinion. The first big step will be an XRP ETF. But let's take a closer look at this tendency. We have some great news from Crypto Basic. The analyst's assertion that JP Morgan had made a significant move into XRP has drawn attention from a former Ripple director. This news certainly made me wonder, and we ought to talk about it more. This is how the story develops. Ben Armstrong, formerly of the BitBoy Bitcoin brand, brought up some controversial claims about JP Morgan's alleged involvement with XRP, to which an ex-Ripple director replied. Armstrong, a well-known figure in the cryptosphere, revealed this in a number of posts. He asserts that JP Morgan has acquired a huge 7.5 million XRP tokens. Armstrong goes on to say that this deal represents about 7.5% of JP Morgan's total wealth. But wait, since this math seems to be totally wrong. With a 2023 estimate of $3.89 trillion in total assets, 7.5 million XRP at its current value of $4.46 million is not even close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth. Armstrong made a computation that is not totally correct. But Armstrong emphasizes the significance of JP Morgan's alleged strategy. It is implied that they are secretly storing XRP. According to him, this positions JP Morgan as a major player in the Bitcoin market. It has been reported that Wall Street giants like JP Morgan may enter the cryptocurrency market, specifically with XRP. It's worth taking into account that major financial institutions are entering the Bitcoin field, despite the fact that the numbers may be a little questionable. With XRP at the center of a number of fascinating events, it points to a larger pattern of traditional banking engaging with the world of digital currencies. Armstrong's bold statements have also drawn attention to BlackRock, a giant in asset management. In response, he stated that BlackRock is now taking XRP into account for its investment portfolio following the approval of its iShares Bitcoin ETF. Then Armstrong went on. He is also concentrating on the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple and the US SEC. What does he think? These financial heavyweights' investment in XRP demonstrates their strong belief in the cryptocurrency's promising future, even in the face of ongoing legal upheaval. Major financial organizations are betting on XRP despite its unstable regulatory environment, if this accumulating tendency is genuine.